You can now easily make Talking Veo 3 videos for free using this tool I am about to show you.
Please, God, I don't want my husband to find out that I'm cheating on him.
Your husband won't find out about your cheating on one condition. You will die on a capsizing boat and you will drown.
In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make AI videos for free. Videos like I've been playing earlier. Those videos were made by AI for free. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make them. I'm going to take you step by step on how you can make AI videos for your African folktale channels and storytelling channels for free. A lot of African folktale story channels are on skyrocket these days. They are getting millions of views and they are using this tool that I'm going to show you to create AI videos for free. You can create this AI video and make your African folktale channel and get views. I'm going to be taking you step by step on how you can make this video. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Tap your notification bell so you get notified when we put new videos. Grab your notebook and pen, and without wasting time, let's dive into this video. What you are going to do, you are going to open your browser, whether Chrome or Safari, and type in imagefx.com. ImageFX. You can just type in ImageFX. They're going to bring you this pages. Then tap on the one that has Google Labs. Google Labs. Then you are going to sign in. You are going to sign in with your email address. You put your email address, the one that you want to use on this website. This website makes realistic AI videos and totally free. Then you type in your password. You put in your password. Then you tap next. They're going to bring this. Then you tap on whisk or launch whisk. Launch whisk. Tap launch whisk. They're going to bring this page. Then tap enter tool. Tap on enter tool. Tap on enter tool. Then you are going to describe the picture. You are going to first create the picture. You are going to describe the picture you want to be created. A good thing in this website, you can create a picture and then make it a video in the same website. Other website, you create a picture, then you go to the other website to create the video. But in this one, you create them all in one website and it is totally free of charge. Then we put in our prompt, a black woman in her room praying to God. And the face of Jesus appears. Then we tap go. They have already created our pictures. You see these pictures, they have already created. They are nice pictures according to our prompts. They are nice pictures. Then you tap on the picture, then you tap on the word animate. Tap on the word animate. Then we are going to put the prompt for the video. What we want our picture to be doing in the video. You put the prompt. The face of Jesus appears to a praying woman. You put in your own prompts. You can go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to make you prompt if you are not good at prompts. But what you tell the picture, it's what's going to be generated as video, and it is totally free of charge. It is totally free of charge. We are putting in our prompt, and the good thing about this website, it creates realistic footages. And it is totally free. I'm surprised. It is totally free. You can make your African folktale channel and start using this website and make footages that you're going to use in your African folktale channel and get views and earn on YouTube. As you know, African folktale channels are on skyrocket. They are getting millions of views these days. So after typing in your prompts, we have put our prompts there. make your prompt the way you want the picture to be generated. May I put for me what I want this picture to say. What I want this picture to say, and you can even tell it what words to say and what tone to be said in. And it's very expensive. It is very easy. We tap next. We tap next. It's going to take like around 1 minute to generate the full video. You see the way I've wrote? Put your prompt, everything that you want your video to be saying. Even the voice tone you want it to be saying, you put it there. Even the background, you can put it there. This video is generating right now. Generating one right now. It takes like around 30 seconds or 1 minute to fully generate an AI video. Generate an AI video, and this is amazing. You can get this kind of quality for free. Veo 3 videos for free. These videos are on Skyrocket these days. As you know, African folk tales are on Skyrocket. They are getting millions of views. A lot of channels are getting thousands of dollars. Right, our video is
You can
generated.
easily make Talking
Our
Veo
video is
3
generated,
videos
and
for
it
free
is saying it's the
using this
word
tool.
that we wrote in the prompts. Then you tap download. You download your footage. Then we tap here, and we save it to our phone gallery. Save it to our phone gallery. Tap save. It is saved totally for free. You can make these AI videos for free using this tool. The good thing about this tool is you create the image in the website, then you animate it to the video in the same website. You don't need to leave like other apps. You get, this is an amazing website that will help you get AI videos for free, realistic AI videos. And yeah, try it out right now. You're going to thank me later. Try it out and then come back and comment in this video. Try this website, then come back and comment in this video and subscribe. If this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe. Tap the notification bell so you get notified when we put new videos. Thank you.